Hello, this is JNM Reviews, and this was a free sample provided by SYLAN. So it is 180 vegan capsules of resveratrol, and I absolutely love this. If I can call it supplement, it says here that it provides cardiovascular support and serves as a potent antioxidant and anti-aging support, which it does, and immune function boost. So it's made of grapes. It doesn't have a flavor, so it's 2 capsules a day. And I like it that it's big enough that I can share it with my husband and keep a youthful look. So this is how it looks. You can take it with or without food, with your favorite drink, juice, coffee, smoothie. I also like it because it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, it's soy-free, it's vegan-friendly. This is the packaging, how it looks. I tried it. I like it. I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you for watching.